Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about some cryptocurrency stuff and go over my thoughts on certain cryptos and my plan, and also give you a couple of resources to kind of look through and kind of go from there. For one, I'm not telling you to buy any of these. This is just kind of my opinion, so you make sure that you do your own research. There's so many out there that you can purchase that it's really kind of crazy because you could just kind of browse through and see all these weird name coins and everything, and you can go on Twitter or wherever and find all these different coins. And so it's important to make sure that you do some research on which one to put your money into, have a plan of action of entry and exit points, and kind of go from there. So I just want to go over, first of all, this is coinmarketcap.com, and this goes over a lot of different cryptocurrencies. It has articles, it has volume, market cap, charts, circulating supply, things of that nature. And we're going to talk a little bit about circulating supply first off. Okay, so what is circulating supply? So cryptocurrency circulating supply, or crypto token supply, is the total number of coins or tokens that are available for trade on the market at any given time. It's a key metric in tokenomics that helps determine how a project operates and should be considered before investing or trading into a crypto project. So for example, Bitcoin there's only going to be 21 million made total, but the circulating supply is how many that are basically available right now for trade and things like that. And if they released more into the circulating supply, then that would actually drop the price down, because it's basic supply demand type stuff. Circulating supply is always a percentage of the total supply, and it can be fluctuating over time for numbers of reasons, including mining new coins, burning current coins, so think Shiba Inu, and they burn tokens and things like that, lost coins, and then company creation. Okay, a higher percentage of circulating supply is generally better. For example, Bitcoin circulating supply is about 90% of its maximum supply, 21 million, which means that the value of Bitcoin can't be significantly reduced by new coins entering the market. Okay, if that makes sense. So just to kind of give you some feedback on that. So I want to go back to crypto, to the CoinMarketCap crypto website, and look at the circulating supply here. And if you want to see who has the highest or the lowest circulating supply, you just go ahead and you click on this here, and this will actually give you the largest circulating supply currently. So as you see here, the top two largest circulating supplies are BitTorrent, and then Shiba Inu, and then Pepe, Ballcoin, BONK. Those are your top 5 largest circulating supplies there. And then if you go to the smallest, as you see, you got some coins you probably never even heard of, and Bitcoin is down there as well. So if you want to check out market cap, you can click on market cap, and that actually gives you the top coins. You see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, XRP, USDC, DOGE, Altcoin, Cardano, Tron, Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot. So the ones that I'm currently in, and other ones that I'm looking to get in. So I think I made a video about this last week that we talked about. So the ones I'm currently in, obviously Shiba Inu, you know that one. I did start investing in BONK and JASMY coin. I'm probably going to go ahead and get some Cardano, and also Solana. I've been kind of debating whether to get in or not. I think I'm going to go ahead and get some of that as well, and just keep accumulating until we really start moving. So SHIB, I'm looking at adding a pretty decent amount to it. That way I don't have to wait as long for my strike price and selling on it. A website that you can go to kind of calculate percentages and where you think you may want to sell. You go to Crypto Profit Calculator, just type that into Google or in the search bar, it should come up, and you can actually come down here and you pick whichever one that you're invested in. So let's just say, hypothetically, you would go and buy Solana. Let's say you bought it today at 181, and that was your investment, was 181.09. So let's say I invested 181.09, And a lot of people are giving a lot of different price targets out on Solana. They're saying 1,000, some saying 1,500, 750. I don't know. Who knows? No one really knows where exactly it's going to go. So what I like to do is typically, if they give a strike price of, like I said, it's going to go to 1,000, I'll probably find somewhere close to that, a little bit lower than that, especially if I bought really low. That way I'm not getting rug pulled when everyone else is starting to take profits. Okay, so let's say hypothetically it went to 900 and I took profits off of that, then that would be a 396.99% gain, $718.91 profit. And then obviously you can just kind of play around with it. You're saying, I got $500 I want to throw in Solana, just throw $500 in there, and then sell price of 900. That would actually give you your total amount. Still same percentage gain, however you have larger amounts of money coming in because you invested more, right? And you could do that with any coin. So if you want to do that with Shiba Inu, it gives you the current price of what we're at. And let's say you threw $500 in there today, and let's say it went up about 417%, then you would profit a little over $2,000 off of your $500 investment. And if you're like, oh wow, that's pretty amazing, maybe I have more money to put in there, you can throw $2,500 in, you profit, look at that's a huge same percentage but larger amount. Okay, and then from there, obviously, you just have to make a decision on what you're needing to do. I would be very cautious of who you're following, and make sure that you kind of have a plan in place before the real run starts, because the last thing you want to do is just get caught holding something and it just fall out from underneath you. There's some people that I'm putting on the screen right here that you can follow on Twitter, on YouTube, and they give really pretty good advice. They've been through these cycles before. They're really accurate, in my opinion. And whenever they say something about the market, typically it does happen. Be aware of these stupid videos that keep coming out by these people that their thumbnails are like, this is it, this is it, this is your last chance. It gets on my freaking nerves so bad, because it's mostly clickbait, and all they're doing is going over the charts and saying, I think this may happen, and well, you don't know if it's going to happen or not. There's a lot of things that factor into the prices starting to move and the prices falling and all this, and crypto is extremely risky and volatile for one. So just make sure that you manage your risk well and you have some type of plan in place, and don't put in any money that you can't afford to lose, because again, it's extremely risky. It can just completely fall on its face, and you have to be comfortable with holding that that money in your account and just watching it go down, and be content with that for the long-term gain. But from what I'm hearing, the back half of this year should really start pushing up, and then mid 2025 is when the peak should really happen. So right now, in my opinion, is still a good time to accumulate and kind of get your stuff together and get your things in order. But follow those people that I showed you on the screen. There'll be some pretty good resources for sure in regards to kind of really keeping your head straight on the market cycle and trying to really not go crazy, because one day you can be up 20% and the next day you're down 30. It's just kind of part of the game, apparently. But follow those guys if you're not already. If you like this, if you appreciated the information I gave you, like the video, share it, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what your thoughts are, what coins you're buying, and what your plans are from there. But other than that, we will catch you in the next one.